Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI here in my dirty kitchen, but it's not going to be that way for long. I've got this mop here and I want to tell you all about it.
There is a lot of things that I love about this mop. I love how easy it is to use. I love how easy it was to put together. I did it, and I'm not a very handy person. I love how lightweight it is. I can hold this with one hand and no problem. The trigger is very easy to squeeze. You don't need a lot of pressure to squeeze it, and plenty of cleaner comes out when you do squeeze it, so that's really nice too. You're not constantly squeezing it. Another thing that I really like about it is how easy this pad is to put on. I can do it with one hand because everything is so lightweight. It's very soft, it's easy to put on, and it's not going anywhere. That thing is stuck on there, which I really like through all that I put it through. You can see here just one squeeze gets me several swipes with the mop. I love how big the mop head is, so it's not going to take me a long time to clean my floors because I'm cleaning so much of an area in one swipe. So here it is, it's dirty, and you can see how sturdy this thing is to take off. It takes some effort to get it off, which is nice because I really put it through the wringer and I know that thing is not budging. And then you can just throw it in the wash and you're ready for next time.
I love this mop. I love how easy it is to use. I love how lightweight it is. I just don't want to live life without it, but that's just my point of view.